Hi, I'm Jeff with Able To Plumbing. I'm here to explain why your water heater makes popping noises. So after you've taken a shower or ran a load of laundry and you hear a popping noise in your water heater, it's the calcium buildup either in the electrodes or in the gas water heater that's causing that noise. You can't save the water heater. You can't get it out. It can't be removed. Replace the water heater and then put a water softener in. That prevents the calcium from building up in your tank caused by a hard water deposit.